Hi everyone, this is author DS Spice. Welcome to my channel, your channel, and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Last video we spoke about one of the manifestation techniques, and that was vision board. I hope you have followed it uh, and working on your manifestation. Uh, in my previous video also I mentioned that whenever you get your manifestation, like suppose you have earned a lot of money, you need to spend it as well. Money shouldn't be stagnant, it should always keep moving. So there's one thought about it, like you should not squander it wastefully or something like that, but you, whenever you are spending, right, you need to have that kind of mindset wherein you are telling the universe that, hey universe, I am spending it because I am royalty. Or you must say something like, I'm spending it because this is the money that I got, my business is doing well. That's how I'm able to afford this new designer wear, designer bag, or I'm able to book a restaurant, book some places in the restaurant or something like that. Or you can say, hey universe, this is what I got, the royalty of my books, and I can afford this. So things like that you can say. So that won't be considered as squandered, it will be just an exchange, right? You're exchanging the money, you're just not keeping it stagnant, you are spending it because you are royalty. Okay, so now I think vision board, we can the concept must be very clear. And there's one more thing that I would like to say, how to counter attack all these negative things, or because many people will not be on the same wavelength as you. So certain things, like say if you have any kind of doubts or fears, right, how to bring it down or how to neutralize it. Suppose you have certain doubts about something or something that you dislike heavily. So what you must do, you bring that thought, bring that whole thought, the emotions, everything, bring it to the center of you. Okay, look at it once and say and just hold it, or focus on that particular thought, that is really, captivating you from your, that is not allowing you to do your manifestation. Just hold it and then boom, just make it disappear, just make it vanish. Just say, oh no, okay, I brought it for the center of my attention, I absorb everything that is happening, everything that's negative, and now I just let go, and it will go. Okay. um, Certain things, like suppose you're not accustomed to listening to certain kind of news, like now this huge thing about COVID that is happening, right? And so you can just, if it's really troubling you, right, you can convince yourself saying that this is all, because it is affecting, if it's starting affecting, you can just say this is all false news, or these are all lies, these are all lies, universe, this is all lies, this is truth. So that's how you move on. This, I'm just giving a simple example, but you can have like whatever is coming as a uh, you know gap between you and your manifestation. This is how you can dissolve it. Now today let's talk about scripting. Now scripting is a good technique, and I mean, I suppose if you are an author like me and you like to write, then it's a very nice technique. Like scripting is something like, you have already achieved that manifestation, okay, and you are going to plan your day. Isn't it wonderful? Like something like, it doesn't have to be like plan the whole day, something like that. Like you can plan, like suppose you have already got that manifestation, right? How are you going to live that kind of life? Okay, it's a process of imagining your life with what you have got and writing about it daily as if it is happening right now. It's what I've written in my book. Okay, so something like, it has to be in the present tense, like as if it's happening right now. Something like, It's an example would, I do not know, this is coming opposite way, but something like this. Okay, something like, it's a beautiful day. I jogged this morning and now I'm back at my desk to work. I get a call and I'm certain that I am selected for the AWA fashion show as a runway model. I thanked the clothing designer and then set off to check back on my writing work. I get an awesome idea and continue to pen it down, and suddenly I flip my phone and see my book has topped the bestsellers rank one more maybe. Okay, so this is what, like, you can just write down. This is just one example. So you need to make note of a few things, that what you're writing has to be in the present tense. It shouldn't be like it's going to happen or it will happen. No, it's not like it has happened. Okay, that, or it is happening. So things like that. You can I mean, if you are used to writing, you can make it like a scrapbook, logbook, and you can just get a scrapbook, and whenever during the day of time you want to you want to think about your manifestation, and make it sound real to you, right? You start scripting. It's a powerful technique. Like, whatever your script, right, it happens, it comes true. And it needn't necessarily be like you write down in detail, or like today if you write something, it's not necessary that tomorrow also you write the same thing. No, just try to be as creative as you can. Like today, if you have written something like, this is what my morning will be, this is what my morning is, not will be, this is what my morning is, or this is what my morning, this is what my afternoon is, something like that. Like as if that manifestation is already there. Like, suppose your manifestation is your car or something, is your car or your house or something, right? Oh, I'm sitting in my house and I'm watching television, I'm watching my favorite cartoon show, and then I'm seeing around, my windows are so huge. I mean, things like that. You can just be as creative as you can, and keep writing, and then you read it and you get that good feeling. So this is scripting. You can practice scripting like this, and I usually do it. I usually do it like once a day. It helps. One thing is that it makes you it makes you reach your goals faster, and the second thing is, like, every time you're telling yourself, right, every time you're getting excited about what is happening to you, correct? Like getting selected to the as a runway model, or getting the bestsellers list is, or getting that huge whatever trophy, right, winning the competition or something. If that is what is your, like, is what you're aiming for, and then the kind of excitement that you get, because scripting is something that you do as though, like, you've already achieved it and you are running your day. Okay, so be creative, and it doesn't have to be like the same boring thing every day. Okay, I got up this morning, I had coffee, I wrote, and I found this. Every day, just try to be creative, like in towards your manifestation. Like today you can say, okay, I took a car drive, I went to the movies, and then I came back, I came back with my friend, and then something like that. Like every day it can be anything new. I mean, whatever that pops up your head at that point of time, you do. So this kind of scripting, you can do it in any paper, random paper like this. It doesn't have to be anything specific. You can write in your own running writing, or you can just use. I mean, I sometimes I type. type it to my computer, like when I plan my day. It doesn't necessarily have to be one big long letter or something like that. It can just be one or two paragraphs or one or two lines also. But whenever you get time, you just you just write, and then you see how you are attracting the manifestation towards you. So this is scripting. Scripting can be as simple as this, and every day you can write. I mean, you can just pull the manifestation towards you. Just be very real about it, and look forward towards your manifestation. Thank you for subscribing, and bye.